Hello, I'm Sam, Sales Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the Series WE20 Butterfly Valve. Dwyer's customizable and reliable WE20 can be utilized to control liquid, air, gas, or steam flow in applications such as hydroelectric power plants, waste treatment plants, and pneumatic conveying systems. The Series WE20 is a butterfly valve that is offered in lug or wafer styles and is equipped with a PTFE or EPDM liner. Sizes are available from 2 inches to 12 inches for a variety of applications. These valves are available as manually hand-operated or can be configured with an electric or pneumatic actuator, which is direct-mounted in order to create a compact assembly for tight spaces. The units feature an extended neck to allow for installation clearance. Pneumatic actuated valves also have the option to have limit switches or position transmitters mounted to them, allowing for remote position monitoring. A position indicator and 2 limit switches are included with electric actuators. Electric actuators are available in weatherproof or explosion-proof, a variety of supply voltages, and 2-position or modulating control. Pneumatic actuators are constructed of anodized and epoxy-coated aluminum for years of corrosion-free service and are available in double-acting or spring return. The SN solenoid valve can be added to a pneumatic actuator in order to electrically switch the air supply pressure between the 2 supply ports for opening and closing the valve. These valves are capable of being configured to fit many applications. The cartridge seat design alleviates installation problems associated with common dovetail design seats. Valve torques are lower and more consistent, as the seat dynamics are not dependent on being coupled between 2 flanges. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.